Holy shit. Bane ult. The universe tries canceling the LC duel. He tosses Envy back in the fountain. Holy fuck. And they kill LC. Oh my god. I don't think it's enough, but that was a crazy play. They have no glyph and Paparazzi's hitting the throne. You need D.
Oh. See, this is exactly what I mean, guys. Oh! Oh!
What?
Oh!
Easy game!
Oh! Alright, you know, that was player error on 11's part, I think.
He doesn't have quick cast on, he would have just spammed that dual button.
Oh god, get out, get out, get out, get out! Alright, go in. Alright, go in, go in, go in. I want mini stun.
I will kick her away
Help
from
me,
the
help
world!
It's
Keep going, keep going. I won't let her blink on me.
she's dead, dude. She's dead.
This is real, this
Get
is
the
real.
orc bar.
Didn't know the Lincoln was broke. Can you stay here with shock? You might have to stun. I'm ready to force a guy. And it's my try to like fly in. Heads up gameplay. Can gush him from here. He should jump the Zeus this time, which means he should have dodged that spell.
I'm not gonna do that. Fuck that. I know how to get around this. So Raw Dota is allowed, and if I watch Raw Dotas, who is allowed, then I am also allowed. weSmart.
May as well end it that way too.
You see, I don't have ad block on. This ad supports Raw Dota.
Thomas, you can save your friends, or you can save us all.
Strong now, timings, pacing of the game, and the buffs that she had. I don't have a real answer for you. Why I'm not getting banned. You should consider yourself in a casting career though. Maybe if people wanted me to cast.
Okay, I will get banned. Sorry.
All for buying one ward, Bumbo? Come on, dude.
Wait, high roll doesn't have to buy it.
Yeah, fuck, dude. But next ward?
Fucking gambling addict.
The fuck? What the fuck, dude? Okay, next one, next one.
Wait, that's a battle.
Are you actually buying 3 wards this game? Yo, guys, you're fucking dying here.
Last one, 73. Come on, dude. Whoa. Oh my god, what? What is this fucking action? Okay, last one. Last one.
Bro, you gotta go broke.
22.
Oh my god. What?
You're gonna go broke.
Ridiculous. Yeah, alright. I see how it is. I see how it is.
Mid Phantom Lancer in ESL. Please don't talk about it because there's too much controversy.
Which stream platform did you watch that
Hey,
on,
hey, you want to hear a joke?
Yes.
How many ESLs does it take to screw in a light bulb?
I have no idea what you're gonna say.
About 500. One to screw it in, and all the rest make sure that nobody can see it. Oh my god, it's not a great joke, but that's the best I can do on the spot.
Took some time. That was pretty good for on the spot.
I will shoot the arrow that will pierce the heaven. You see this guy? He's already hit. He's already hit.
You got him, huh?
He's already hit here.
You got him, huh?
Look at that shit.
What the fuck is wrong with him?
Are you rolling them?
Rolling for kill?
Roll for kill, roll for kill.
I'm fucking dead, man.
Roll fast, roll fast!
Fast, stop, 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 stop! Mine, mine, mine!
No, it was mine! You piece of shit!
By the way, Bumbo, your mid lane is over.
Wait, what? Rhyme?
Sorry, just the way it is.
Fuck, I didn't even get the first one because we wait.
The EG site says $2, not $3. Also, who's the worst team at ESL Ganning besides the production team?
The PR team?
Try to lose. Okay.
Oh my god!
No. No.
No, 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 no!
Oh, yeah, God. Okay.
No, no, Bumbo! You fucking mongoloid!
Bro, I had it in the win.
Your bottom barracks have fallen.
Well, at least you got a kill.
I mean, how do we... Over here? Bonus kill?
Nice! Ah!
I'm rolling.
Wait, I'm rolling? I'm rotting, I can't stop.
Wait, 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 wait.
Sing.
Yes,
Sing.
yes. Give me that shit.
Alright, then.
こういうところじゃないところにあるので、ナイトストーカー見た。サイレンス入る。ボイド、バローストライク、オムニライトがちょっと遠い、オムニライトがちょっと遠い、オムニライトがちょっと遠いが、ゴールアイトニングからストームスミス、ヘイゼントプレイング、リベルをつけてもらう。これでマジックダメージ完全耐性。マーチオンマシーン、ゴールアイトニング逃げていく。バローストライク、いやー綺麗に決めた。うわー、エピセンター、素晴らしいエピセンター、マジックダメージ。ワンプレーティムスがバローストライクエピセンターで、まあなんとか TNC ですが、現在レーザーがもう紙切れ同然で溶けていくという問題があります。これトラック対策でマンタスタイル取りに行っていますね。今ティンカー探しています。なおストーム
Facebook is good for 3 things, alright? 3 things. Getting your information stolen, wishing happy birthday to random people you haven't talked to in a decade, and stalking. And I'm not sure which one of those ESL is into, but just saying. Not many birthdays around here, so I'm just saying. Oh, my voice sounds like PPD. Sorry. Check.
Don't think about it, Bambo.
What are you thinking about right now? Does it start with NIG and end with ER? Is it dangerous at night?
What the fuck?
Is it dangerous at night?
What?
Does it have silence? What are you thinking about?
Holy
No,
shit.
What are you thinking about right now, dude?
Wasn't even close to that, dude.
It was a Night Stalker, dude? What were you thinking about? Because the answer was Night Stalker.
In as much as possible to stop Fnatic from getting any farm. Young 11? Nimbus? Oh no, the blink is cancelled! Oh! Oh! He found him! Oh! Ah! Ah! What? Wasn't even.
Next one's mine, just so you know.
Next one's yours, dude, don't worry about it. We're equal.
Niet.
One yet.
Actually, new NARA.
Jesus Christ, it's actually like a fucking clone.
Actually, new NARA, yeah.
They'll never see me coming.
Can you stop hitting me on this rope? So fucking rude.
I have a son. Is it even off? Because
You talking to me? I don't know.